In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw trend lines in TradingView. Trend lines are one of the simplest and most powerful tools for reading price action. They help you visualize the direction of the market and highlight areas where price has repeatedly reacted. Whether you're spotting an uptrend with higher lows or a downtrend with lower highs, a well-placed trend line can make patterns much easier to see. Let's get started inside TradingView. Look to the left-hand toolbar and find the Drawings or Shapes icon. It looks like a diagonal line with a small square attached. Click that icon to open the Drawing Tools menu. From the drop-down, choose Trend Line. This activates your cursor so you can place the line directly on the chart. Now, click once on the chart to set your starting point. A good starting point is usually a clear pivot, like a visible swing low in an uptrend or a swing high in a downtrend, so your line reflects meaningful structure. After you've set the starting point, move your mouse to where you want the line to end. As you drag, you'll see the line preview. When you're happy with the placement, release the mouse to drop the line in place. If it's not quite right, no problem. You can adjust it at any time. Click and drag either endpoint to fine-tune where the line touches the chart. You can also click and drag the entire line to shift it without changing its angle. Take a moment to line it up with the most relevant pivots so the trend it represents is clear and consistent. For better visibility, you can customize how the line looks. Click the gear icon that appears when the trend line is selected to open settings. From there, change the color for contrast against your chart background, choose the style, and adjust the thickness so it stands out. A brighter color and a slightly thicker line can help when you're analyzing fast-moving charts or sharing screenshots. If you need to remove the line, right-click directly on it and select Remove. That will delete the line from your chart instantly, keeping your workspace uncluttered. With these steps, you can quickly add, refine, and manage trend lines in TradingView to support your analysis. Practice placing lines on different time frames and instruments to get a feel for how price respects trend structure. The more you use them, the faster you'll spot meaningful reactions and potential breakouts. If this video helped, please like, subscribe,